Video number 9, all about GMB Insights and Analytics. The Insights panels are present on Google My Business dashboard. You can draw your customer engagement data from your Google business listing. This data includes details on both organic and paid search results. Right from information about view to searches and action. These metrics help you to analyze and understand diverse ways how your prospects are communicating with your business. In this video, let's drill down the meaning of each GMB metrics. What are Google My Business Analytics? Google My Business Analytics is the data on how your potential customers find your business listing on Google search. Besides, Insights also provide you information about how your prospects find you on Google Maps. Google My Business Insight Tracking helps you in gaining information about the ways consumers opted to find you on Google search and provides data about customers' actions. You can get all information in bulk or in the individual listing. Google My Business Analytics further offers data about your local search performance, the number of views your business listing has received, website click-through, the number of calls or messages received, requesting direction, etc. Utilizing Google Business Insights, you can extend your business's reach. A. How customers search for your business. One of the primary data you should track on Google My Business is how customers search for your business. This feature offers you data on a direct search or a discovery search. Discovery and direct search results are impressions. It denotes that your prospects clicked on your listing on Google or viewed your listing in the Knowledge panel in the form of a branded search or as a single result from a non-branded search. To check these metrics, click or tap the chart on the dashboard and you'll get to see the percentage of customers who found you via discovery or direct search. 1. Direct search. The metrics offer you insights into how many customers directly searched for your business name or location. Direct search commonly comes from individuals who are acquainted with your business or who have heard about your business. Direct searches that return a single result are calculated as direct impressions. 2. Discovery search. Discovery search is the metrics that give you information about a customer searching for a product, service, or category that you offer and your business listing appeared. Discovery search impressions refer to generic searches such as hotel near me, or clothing shop open now, or cafe near me, etc. 3. Branded search. Brand search provides metrics when a consumer searches for the brand related to your business. Notable that this category will only appear if your business listing appears a minimum of once for a branded search. 4. Total search. The total search provides you the gross number of discovery, direct, and branded searches. Note, the search graph displays the number of individuals who searched for your business by category or by name. The searches are counted individually. Hence, when a user did a discovery search and followed it by a direct search, it is calculated as 2 searches, i.e. 1 search in each section. B. Where customers discover your business on Google. It is that section of Google My Business Insights that gives you data about how many consumers have located your business via Google Map and Google Search. You can track the data whether your consumers are looking from a search on the map or they are finding your business through a traditional Google search. You can measure the number of views your listing received through the following sections. 1. View on search. It offers you information about if a customer discovered your business through Google search. On the bulk report, View on search is showed as search views. 2. Views on maps. Just like View on search, View on maps denote the number of views your business has received via Google Maps. You can find it as Map Views on Bulk Report. 3. Total views. Total views on Google My Business Insights calculates the gross number of views your business has received via both Google Search and Google Maps. If you wish to get the details of the total number of customers who have found your business on a specific product and day, consider the following steps. Step 1. Open the Google My Business Insights dashboard panel and select the day of your choice. Step 2. For desktop, place your cursor over the day, and if you are using a mobile device, tap on a specific day. To turn filters on and off, click on the checkbox as present on the right of the graph. 4. Customer Actions. The Customer Actions graph provides information and an overview of customer behavior after finding your business on the Google My Business listing. These metrics offer you data on the actual interactions of customers with your business, and the graph is broken down into different charts based on the action type. Let's roll out the Customer Action metrics. 5. Direction Requests. Direction request metrics calculate the total number of times a prospect has requested directions to your business location. This metric is particularly significant for a local business, as the direction requests are classified based on zip code, city, or state. You can implement this information to improvise the target of your ads to a particular region. Direction requests are shown in the bulk report as direction actions. You can also project direction requests to determine projected sales from traffic to Google My Business listing. To get the data to determine the percentage of prospects who click on the driving direction and actually make it to your business location, make sure to determine a percentage that works best for your business. Also, determine the percentage of people who made a purchase during their visit and the total amount for a single visit would be. 6. Website Actions. Visitors to website metrics calculate the number of customer views on your website, and in the report, you can find it as Website Actions. 7. Call Actions. Phone call actions calculate the number of times the customer calls your business. Metrics help you to track the data at which the time of the day or the day of the week your business receives the highest number of calls from your prospects. 8. Message Chat. On the Google My Business dashboard, you can enable the Messaging First option. When you enable this option, you can track insights about the messaging action of prospects. Just like phone action, you can measure the number of times customers have messaged you on Google My Business listing. 9. Total Actions. Total actions are the metric that offers you data on total customers' action for phone, website, and direction. To view the number of consumers complete total actions on a specific day, choose that particular day and place your cursor over the day. For mobile devices, tap on that day. For example, if one of your consumers has called you 4 times on that particular day, the recorded data will show you 4 calls. C. Photo Insights. Photo Insights on Google My Business dashboard comprise insights on photo views and photo quantity. These insights display the number of images connected with your business listing and frequency of view compared to your contemporary competitors. There is a strong correlation between Google My Business photos and traffic your business receives. Business with 100+ images receives 520% more calls and 713% more discovery searches. 1. Photo Views. Photo views show the number of times your photos are viewed. Google calculated the impression of photos on the knowledge panel or clicked by your prospects. If the same user views multiple photos, it is recorded as multiple photo views. 2. Photo Quantity. Photo quantity shows the total number of photos you've uploaded to your business listing. You can track the comparative data, the number of images you have uploaded, and the number of photos your consumers have uploaded. If you have noticed that your consumers have uploaded quite a considerable number of photos, ensure to review them all to maintain the correct representation of your business. D. What your business is known for. In this section, you get data about customers' opinions about your business. The metrics break down popular terms used in reviews and pull the sentiment. Google share your consumers' feelings such as cozy, quiet, relaxing. The information is subjective here as customers' opinions are based on their experience. 1. Popular times. Popular time assists you with data about when your business gets the highest foot traffic. Data collected for this information is through tracking location data on phones. You can utilize this data for both online and offline campaigns. 2. Search queries. Search queries offer information about the most popular keywords that are used to find your local business listing. Implement the data derived from these metrics to create effective Google Ads and posts. E. Google My Business Post Analytics. Google My Business Post Analytics offers you data relating to your posts on Google My Business, such as views, clicks, and change percentages. These metrics help you to analyze your post performance. Google My Business Post Analytics aids users with data on an individual post, all posts from the last week and the previous month. Analyzing Google My Business Analytics is a great way to learn the behaviors of your prospects and accordingly make improvements based on your findings. Keep your listings accurate. Respond to reviews to building up a solid social media presence. Thank you. See you in the next video lesson.